طبعا قبل الفيلم لازم ناكل لقمه، خد بالك معايا. فعشان كده بقى جيت محل البيتزا الرائع ده مع الشباب. وهنا بقى كان يجي السؤال المهم، انا بحب بيتزا ايه يا جماعه؟ هنا مفيش بيتزا تشيكن رانش. يعني ايه؟ يعني مفيش تشيكن رانش، يعني مفيش باربيكيو، صوص الباربيكيو والحاجات الجميله. لازم بقى تدور على الحاجه الحلال وبتاع، فتعبنا. المهم عايزين نسال صاحبنا هنا كده. برو Armin, I'd like to ask you, bro, what is the best food that you ever eat? Ever in your life? Where exactly and what is it?
Yeah, I'm really into kebabs, and especially kebab, and especially there is a kebab.
Where are you from, Armin? Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Iran, bro. Of course.
Iran. Yeah, I know, but the others want to know. Okay, did you say kebab?
Yeah, we have a kebab in Iran that is really similar to a Turkish kebab. Also, we call it kubide. The Turkish people call it Adana, I think, and it's my favorite. Yeah.
You like food here?
Yeah, kinda. I like Italian food more than German food, as we are in an Italian restaurant.
I knew that you traveled to Spain and the other countries. So if you're gonna choose one of the countries, what is it gonna be for the best food? I mean,
Best food. I'm gonna choose Middle East, bro.
Middle East.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's ask the other Asian guy. Okay, bro, you can have it.